Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. Look at these two sentences. Please read this book. Please take a look at this book. What's the difference? Take a look sounds easier, doesn't it? You're just asking the person to take a quick look, not necessarily reading the book from beginning to finish. Do you think it's useful to be able to express this difference? Yeah, when making a request, often we want to soften it and we want to make the request sound easy. There's a Chinese expression that can have the same effect, so let's take a look. We express the short action with the word 一下 literally means once, one time. 请看一下这本书. Please take a look at this book. 请看一下这本书. The construction is verb plus 一下. 看一下, 听一下, 说一下, etc. For example, 喝一下, have a sip. 喝一下. Let's take a look at this in a real-life example.
牛奶真好喝，你喝一下。
Ken 刚才说什么？你喝一下。Another example, 休息一下 take a break. 你休息一下吧 Why not take a break? 你休息一下吧。Another example, 问一下 ask quickly, ask for once, ask with ease, 问一下。我问一下老师 let me ask the teacher, let me just consult him very quickly. 我问一下老师。送一下 to deliver with ease or once, very quickly. 送一下。你去给老师送一下报纸。Go and deliver the newspaper to your teacher. It's indicating that it's not a very big effort. It's a very simple task. 你去给老师送一下报纸。Go and deliver the milk to mom. 你去给妈妈送一下牛奶。Give this to her. Right now, very quickly. It's not going to be very hard. 你去给妈妈送一下牛奶。And that's everything. You can review the grammar point from your textbook under Lesson 3, Notes number 2. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.